Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Kitty.
Kitty, how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
How do you feel today?
I'm happy.
Good job, thank you. Well done. Can you find letter N in the picture? One,
1, 2, 3, 4,
how many N's are there?
4.
There are four N. What is the sound of letter N?
Nut,
No, good job. Nut, four,
nut,
nut,
nut.
and four,
Nest,
and four,
nest.
and four,
No, nose,
net.
net.
Thank you. Can you find the letter O?
1, 2, 3,
Very good job. How many O's are there? There are
3.
three O's. Alright, good job. What is the sound of letter O?
Oh.
O. Thank you. O. Four,
Orange,
four,
olive,
and this,
octopus,
and this.
omelet,
Good job. Thank you. Well done. What letter is this?
R,
R. Sound?
R,
R. Four.
rabbit,
Good.
rocket, roll,
Okay. Ring.
rain,
Good. What letter is this?
S,
Sound? What is the sound?
sun,
So, four.
sun, seed, snake, dog,
Thank you. Which picture starts with letter P?
panda,
Which picture starts with letter Q?
queen,
Which picture starts with letter T?
tiger,
Match and say. Let's go. Sorry. What's that?
nut,
It's a nut. Good job. What's that? It's a
question,
good job. Thank you. What is that? It's
onion,
olive. Alright. What is that?
parrot,
It's a parrot. Thank you. Very good job. Well done, Kitty. Here. One more time, you circle the right word. Read and circle. Read, read. Look.
look,
Huh?
name,
Good job. Number two.
look,
This is
feet, and
an.
octopus,
Okay, circle. Well done. Number three. Can I have?
camel,
No. Can I
ham,
have?
parrot,
Yeah, circle. Circle parrot. Thank you. Good job. Is it? Is it?
easy, quail,
Quail.
quail,
Circle. Good. Smart girl. Thank you. Well done. All right. Read number one.
ten,
Is
eat,
un,
un,
under.
under, tree,
Good.
wood, tiger,
Tiger.
under hand.
Good job. There is
There is tiger
an
under hand.
under
Tree.
Very good. Thank you. Well done. Bye bye.